Though it feels difficult, the truth is our success or failure in life mostly depends on the small habits we follow every single day. Many successful people agree on this. Nothing changes in just one day, but when we repeat small actions daily, they turn into habits, and those habits build our future. Most of us dream about achieving something big, but often we ignore the little things needed to reach those dreams. We keep telling ourselves, "I'll do it tomorrow," or "I'll do it later." These words become the biggest enemy of our growth. Today's story is about a boy who wanted to achieve greatness, but his life was completely unorganized. He kept hoping that one day something magical would change his life. But life isn't a movie where everything changes in a single moment. Real change comes from small steps. So watch this video till the end, because maybe these few minutes can help you start a new habit today. In a quiet town lived a boy named Ahad. Ahad was an average student. He was not the best, not the worst, just ordinary. But he had very big dreams. He wanted to become successful in life. But Ahad had one big weakness. He was undisciplined. He never completed his tasks. He avoided small responsibilities and found it difficult to stick to a routine. Even though he dreamed a lot, he never took serious action. He made many plans but left them halfway. Whether it was studying, exercising, or learning something new, his excuse was always the same. "I'll start tomorrow." One day, Ahad met a wise professor in town. The professor noticed Ahad's struggles and smiled. He asked, "Ahad, do you know the secret of success?" Curious, Ahad said, "No, sir." The professor replied, "Success doesn't come from one big action in a single day. It comes from small habits we do daily." Then he shared a story. He said, "Long ago, a farmer planted a bamboo seed. Every single day he watered it. 1 year passed, nothing grew. 2 years passed, still nothing. Other plants in the garden grew tall, but the bamboo seed showed no sign of life. People laughed at the farmer, telling him he was wasting his time, but he continued to water and care for it. Then, in the 5th year, something amazing happened. Within 6 weeks, the bamboo grew 80 feet tall. People were shocked. They thought the seed was useless, but in reality, all those years it was growing strong roots underground to support its future growth. Success is just like that. Small habits may look useless at first, but with time, they build a strong foundation for great achievements. Hearing this, Ahad went quiet. He realized he had been waiting for big changes while ignoring the small habits that could truly change his life. He asked, "Sir, what small habits should I start?" The professor, Mr. Miguel, smiled and said, 1. Wake up early. If you wake up just 1 hour earlier every day, that's 365 extra hours in a year. Imagine how much you can achieve in that time. Ahad had never thought of time like that before. He decided to wake up early and use that time wisely. 2. Read daily. Read just 10 pages a day. In a year, that's 12 books, and those books can completely change your thinking and future. Ahad loved stories, so he decided to read self-improvement books daily. 3. Set small goals. Write only 200 words daily. By the end of the year, you'll have a full book. Remember, drops of water make an ocean. Ahad stopped waiting for big achievements and started working on small goals. 4. Don't procrastinate. Whenever you feel like delaying something, count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and start immediately. Or tell yourself you'll do it for just 2 minutes. Ahad tried this trick, and soon no work was left undone. 5. Practice gratitude. Every night, write 3 things you're thankful for. Slowly, you'll stop complaining and start appreciating. Though Ahad felt strange at first, with practice, he became happier and more positive. 6. Exercise daily. Even 10 minutes of exercise at home can keep you fit. Don't wait for the perfect day to join the gym. 7. Limit phone use. Before using your phone, ask, is this helping me or wasting my time? Games and endless scrolling steal your future. Control your time. Ahad realized he wasted hours on social media and reduced his screen time. In the next few months, Ahad followed these small habits. At first, nothing seemed to change, but after 3 to 4 months, he noticed a difference. His focus became sharper, his studies improved, and he felt more confident. By the end of the year, Ahad was a completely new person, disciplined and responsible. Years later, Ahad became a successful entrepreneur. People often asked, "What's the secret of your success?" He would always reply with a smile.
Big results don't come from luck or talent. They come from small daily habits. Success is like the bamboo. It takes time, but once it grows, it shoots beyond imagination. If you want to change your life, stop waiting for big opportunities. Start with small steps today. Now tell me, which small habit will you start today? If this story inspired you, please like, share, and subscribe so it can reach more people. I'll return with another story soon. Until then, stay patient, stay grateful, and keep moving forward.